Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey to a tropical paradise nestled in the Gulf of Thailand. Get ready to be mesmerized by the breathtaking beauty and vibrant energy of Koh Samui. Imagine pristine shores stretching as far as the eye can see, kissed by the gentle waves, inviting you to indulge in the ultimate beach getaway. But Koh Samui is so much more than just a sun-soaked escape. Join me as we dive deep into the heart and soul of this captivating island. Explore the hidden treasures, immerse yourself in rich local traditions, and experience the thrilling adventures that await around every corner. Now these are the travel guides that you must know before your visit. Best time to visit. Koh Samui enjoys a tropical climate with warm temperatures throughout the year. The best time to visit is generally during the dry season, which runs from December to February, offering pleasant weather and lower rainfall. March to August is also a good time to visit, but it can be hotter. The monsoon season from September to November may bring heavy rainfall and occasional storms. Next is getting there. You can reach Koh Samui by air or sea. The island has its own international airport, Samui International Airport, with flights connecting to major cities in Thailand and nearby countries. Alternatively, you can take a ferry or speedboat from the mainland or nearby islands like Koh Phangan or Koh Tao. Transportation on the island. Once on the island, you have several options for getting around. One of them is taxis. Taxis are available but can be quite expensive. Make sure to negotiate the fare in advance. 2. Song Taos. These are open-air converted trucks that serve as shared taxis or local buses. They follow fixed routes and are a more affordable option for getting around. 3. Motorbike rental. Renting a motorbike or scooter is a popular choice for independent exploration. Ensure you have a valid license and wear a helmet. 4. Car rental. Renting a car gives you more flexibility to explore the island at your own pace. International driving licenses are generally required. 5. Beaches and attractions. Chaweng Beach, the most popular and bustling beach on the island, offering a wide range of water sports, nightlife, and entertainment options. 14. Lamai Beach, known for its relaxed vibe, scenic beauty, and a variety of beachside accommodations and restaurants. Bophat Beach and Fisherman's Village, a charming area with a mix of traditional Thai Chinese architecture, boutique shops, and seafood restaurants. 14. Big Buddha Temple, Wat Phra, a famous landmark with a 12-meter tall golden Buddha statue and panoramic views of the surrounding area. 15. Ang Thong Marine National Park, a group of stunning islands offering opportunities for snorkeling, kayaking, and hiking activities and excursions. 16. Snorkeling and diving. Explore the vibrant underwater world around Koh Samui, including popular diving spots like Sail Rock and Koh Tao. Waterfalls. Visit Namuang Waterfall, a two-tiered waterfall with a natural pool for swimming. Or explore the secret Buddha Garden, a tranquil spot with beautiful statues and gardens. Island hopping. Take a boat tour to nearby islands like Koh Phangan, famous for its full moon party, or Koh Tao, a diving paradise. Spa and wellness. Pamper yourself with a traditional Thai massage, or indulge in a spa treatment at one of the many wellness centers on the island. Nightlife. Experience the vibrant nightlife scene in Chaweng or enjoy beachfront bars, live music, and fire shows. Local cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to sample delicious Thai cuisine while in Koh Samui. Try local specialties like Tom Yum Goong, spicy shrimp soup, Pad Thai, stir-fried noodles, and green curry. Explore the night markets and beachside restaurants for a wide variety of dining options. Respect local customs. Dress modestly when visiting temples and religious sites, covering your shoulders and knees. Remove your shoes before entering temples or someone's home. Be respectful. And there you have it, guys, fellow travelers. Koh Samui, a paradise that truly has it all. From the stunning beaches to the vibrant nightlife, cultural richness, and unforgettable experiences, this tropical gem is waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us today, fellow explorers. Stay tuned for more incredible destinations, insider tips, and awe-inspiring travel experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. See you on our next adventure.